Hey, it's Daniel here. I'm truly excited to bring to you world's first most powerful Facebook webinar solution and YouTube live streaming and scheduling software that lets you cash in on live streams without ever going live. Note that, without ever going live. Of course, unless you want to. No doubt, video marketing is that which truly engages high traffic today. But I must tell you that live video does even 3 times more than just video content. And that's what SociLiveStream does for you. With SociLiveStream, you can schedule your video to play live while it engages your audience on autopilot. But before we get into the walkthrough guide of SociLiveStream, I would want to show you some published statistics that clearly establishes the fact that live video engages more. Now join me as I take you to the browser page that shows some published content which our statistics clearly prove that live video engages even more. Alright, great. So from the website here of livestream.com, you could get to see the live video streaming statistics that has been published here. The very first point here mentioned that about 81% of internet and mobile audiences watch more live videos in 2016 than in 2017. Of course, this number is expected to even rise after the end of 2017. You can also get to see here that point number 3, that live video is more appealing to brand audiences. 80% would rather watch live video from a brand than read a blog, and 82% prefer live video from a brand to social post. Again, the third point also here mentioned that 67% of live video viewers are more likely to buy a ticket to a concert or even after watching a live video of that event or a similar one. So you can see what live event really does. This point number 6 here, it also clearly shows that 45% of live video audiences will pay for live, exclusive, on-demand video from a favorite theme, speaker, or performer. So you should be asking, what more do you want from if you have a good mail like this that allows you to put up your live video straight to your target audience? And of course, with the staggering number of traffic you get from YouTube, which has well over 500 million viewers each day, you know that you already have a good mind waiting for you, and that is what SociLiveStream does for you. Now, I want to take you to the dashboard of SociLiveStream to give you a quick walkthrough. And what really makes this interesting on SociLiveStream, just as we are here, which is a dashboard, is that SociLiveStream allows you to quickly automate or syndicate your content across 10 social connected accounts. Just like you can find here, we have the Facebook, we have the Twitter, we have the Tom, we have the Pinterest, we have the Reddit, the LinkedIn, the YouTube, the Medium, as well as Blogger and a WordPress account. All of these connected social accounts quickly publishes to your followers, to your audience there, that you have a live video ongoing. Tell me, what more free traffic do you want to tap into than what SociLiveStream does for you? Now, on the left pane, you can get to see the entire menus you need to interact with to get on. On the next menu here is the import social account, which allows you to import your entire social account, which are shown connected here. If you go to import social account, you can get to see the interface where you need to click one account after the other to get them connected. Because you can get to see how to add new account. If you hit on add new account, it quickly authenticates with an account if you already have it open on your computer browser. If you don't have such account, it will prompt you to sign up into such account before the authentication and hook it on will be done. Now on your next menu, you have the YouTube. Of course, SociLiveStream supports 2 kinds of campaign, which is your YouTube live campaign as well as your Facebook live campaign. Now at the YouTube live campaign, if you hit on create new campaign, it takes you through the process of setting up your first live campaign on YouTube, which will get published at your set time or get published now. You can also get to see a campaign report. You can also get to see analytics of your YouTube channels and videos analytics. So let's quickly see how to create a new campaign under the YouTube channel. Wow, yeah. So here's the YouTube live campaign page, which gives you the entire work field which you need to set up. Here you have the campaign name which you need to provide, which is used internally by SociLiveStream app. Then you have these channels which you need to select. You have a video title. Let's quickly put one video up together. Let's say we want to set up our SociLiveStream walkthrough. Let's call it walkthrough. Alright, so that's a campaign name. You need to select the channel or the connected account. Now your video title, you could still give it SociLiveStream walkthrough. Alright, great. So you select your privacy type. Of course, you want the public. You want everyone to be able to access the video. Interestingly, we have a video description here that helps to boost your video ranking. You need to give a particular attention to your video description here, so as it gives you the necessary ranking boost that is required. So you can just say SociLiveStream walkthrough guide. Right, so we have it there. Walkthrough guide. Walkthrough guide. Then now you can also come down here to set up your video tags. Your video tags are your keywords, which also boost your video ranking on YouTube. Now we have a very interesting tool here, which you can find anywhere, which is the keyword suggestion tool. Now if you hit on the keyword suggestion tool, it pops up. Since you are working on a video tool, you could just say video marketing as a key phrase. Now if you suggest video marketing as a key phrase, you can scroll down. You can now hit on suggestion to see what the suggestion tool will do for you. Before you do that, you also need to select your search placement. Now if you want to select any country, you must pick one field here to fill up and not fill the entire field. So once you hit on suggestion, it crawls through the server to provide you with a suggested key phrase you could work with, and that which has high volume of search. So wait for some seconds, you'll see it pop up here. Great. So it's already up here. We can see the entire key phrases and the number of search volumes they have, as well as the suggested cost per click here. And you can also get to see the competition index. Now with this, you can get to see the high search volume key phrases, which shows that you already have traffic waiting for you. There are several persons who already are interested in contents like this. So you could just put here, like we have 8,000 for video advertising. You could just add that keyword. Once you add it, it falls into the video tags there. Now you have another one followed, which is video ads. You can also still add it. They have online video marketing. You can also check the pagination, as you have several pagination up to 42 page here, to pick suggested tags or key phrases that truly meets your content, which allows your video to have the necessary boosting. So like this says viral video marketing, so I can add this. So once you're done with that, you can just scroll up here to turn off your keyword suggestion tool. Once it's off, you can see all your suggested tags are already placed in here. Now if you scroll down, you now have the option to upload it. So you have the option of uploading your video here. Once you hit on upload here, it pops up for you to select your file on your local machine, whichever video you want to. You also have the option of selecting from an already uploaded video that is in your library. Once you select this, it says choose from previously uploaded video. So I'd like us to pick from previously uploaded video. So we'll see how it goes. So I can just pick this for an intro, and once that goes, you can also upload a thumbnail image, which is what will now display on your live video before it commences. Now you also have an option of just aligning as an upload video broadcast, or it being a live streaming. Of course, it is a live streaming. You also have the option of scheduling it for a later view, or you have the option of sending it now. So we want it now. And once you select later, you get to see your time zone which you set, as well as the time when you want it to start broadcasting. Of course, we want to fix it on now. We want it to start broadcasting. So once you do that, you can also send a notification aside the syndication that would go across to your 10 connected social accounts, you can also send direct SMS and email to your leads that you already have. That's so wonderful, and that's the power of SociLiveStream, what SociLiveStream can do for you, updating your entire leads that you already have of the live video broadcast that is going. So that engages them and converts such leads to sales for you. So with such group, you can just, if you already have them into groups, like what we have here, Internet Marketing Newbies, you can select it. If you've already configured your SMS API, just like the one we did here, Twilio, you can now compose a body of message here, which will now push out to them. You can also do same with your email group here. You also select the API, which has been configured, and that pushes out the email which you want to. You can just drop a quick reminder, a quick message to them showing that you have live video that is ongoing for it to have the most engagement that you would want. So once you are done with that, all you need to do is to scroll down and hit on create campaign. Once you hit on create campaign, it starts processing and logs it into your campaign list, and you get to see the video URL with which you can use to see your live video streaming. Great, so it shows that our campaign has been created successfully. So you can click here to see the report. Just let's click to see the report of our newly created campaign. Great, so you can see the report of our newly created campaign showing the campaign name, the video description, the campaign video, as well as our campaign YouTube URL link, which has been shared, which you can also get to view the email report as well as the SMS report. So you can hit on this link straight up to see the live streaming.
Possible.
All right, so great.
Results.
So you notice here that this is now streaming live. You can get to see the notification here that you are now on live streaming.
To your website.
You see those watching, those one watching. You notice here that the live chat is up,
get more
which
sales.
helps you to run it strictly as a webinar. You could also give attention to questions and answers that are coming up. You could have someone stand by, or you could have an auto reply set up on autopilot, which is what SociLiveStream helps you to do. So this is a live broadcast ongoing. People can get engaged with your live broadcast,
so you can
as
search
well as chat. You can see the live signal here showing that it's broadcasting live. So that's the power of SociLiveStream. So let's get to see other activities from your Facebook. You can also do the same. Create campaign that is also published to your Facebook live page. You could have it on your timeline. You could publish it across your entire connected pages on your Facebook. So let's quickly see. Now you do the same thing. You give your campaign name. Let's call this SociLiveStream walkthrough guide. All right. So you drop your message here. Hey, don't miss the SociLiveStream walkthrough guide. Is truly groundbreaking solution. Alright, so you have it there. Truly a groundbreaking solution. So right here you have the option to also select a video. You can select a video, or you could also choose from already uploaded video from the library. So once you have a video you want to upload, once you select the video will start uploading until it gets fully uploaded. Then you can choose to delete. So let's see, use from uploaded library. Now you could choose to show your video in a later time, which allows you to set up the time which you wanted to display, as well as configure your time zone. Now notice an option here, event creation. If you do not want to create live event, you want to go live directly, you can now pick this option, and it pushes off your option of uploading the videos. You now go straight to publish it on the page you want to publish it at. And now we're interested in creating live event now, so hit on live event now, and we set our schedule to now, and that pushes off the scheduler. So once you do that, you can now select the page which you want to present it as. Say, post to the timeline page or group. You have one selected here. If you scroll down, you get to see how you can auto share this post. This only works for page posts. Yes, that's true. So you can enable this on auto share. You can also share to timeline. You can also auto share as pages. You select the entire pages you want to. I can say select all, and that works there. You can also auto like. This only works for page posts. You select that, then auto comment. If you hit on auto comment, you can now drop a comment here. Great to have you in here. Trust you are already feeling the results SociLiveStream could get for you. Alright, so you just drop that there, and you go back to inspect your parameters. If everything is right, alright, let's pick as a page instead of timeline. What we selected here is timeline, and most of the configurations we've done there is for page, so we can select any of the pages here. Let's have that as a page, so that works best. You can also see on the right pane here, you can set the notification that goes out to your leads. You can also select the connected SMS API. You can type your body of message here, an SMS you're sending out to your leads, notifying them you're going on live now. You can also select the group here, your contact group for your email, selecting the connected email API, and also drop message as an email giving your leads that you're already going live now. So that allows as much persons who are available to get engaged with a live video. From the preview, you get to see how it looks like. So once you're done with that, you now have to come straight here to hit on create campaign. So once you do that, it launches you to the list here. You can get to see our list is already on up here, showing that we are now live. You can also hit on embed here. Once you hit on embed, you can get the embed code where you can drop it on your website or on any website at all, either on your blog, to also show your live video, which is also streaming. You can also come straight here. You can close this. You can come straight here to clone it, or you delete the campaign. You can also show the social share report, or you can visit the post. Great, so you can get to see the particular post here, which is already ongoing, share the notification that it is live, and you have people who get engaged with you straight up. You see the number of shares which has already been done, 13 shares of this particular live event which you are holding now. You can also get to see the comment which was dropped here. You can choose to pin the comment. So this really automates your video engagement with your audience, allowing you to leverage on live video engagement, which does 3 times more than your ordinary video content which you share. So once you're done with that, you've seen how you can set up your live campaign using either your YouTube channel or your Facebook, getting them syndicated across your 10 social accounts, as well as sharing it across the entire pages on your Facebook connected account, really making your live video to go viral, creating more engagement, of course resulting to sales for you and getting more leads. Still on SociLiveStream, you can also get connected your choice SMS or email API gateway you want to work with. But before you do that, you can also get to see how to create contact group. After creating a contact group, of course, you can now add a contact to the created group. You can see the created groups here. You can hit on add to create new contact group, as well as if you want to give the group name here, you hit on save. You can also come straight down here to add new contact to it. Alright, so you can add a new contact to your group, direct contact, or you could choose to import from your list. If you already have a CSV list, you can import it into your contact group here. Now we have a format that supports how it should look like. The format looks like this. Now this is how your format should look like. Your format is your first name, the last name, your phone number, the email address, the date of birth, and the contact group, which are you can now run your list on, which you already have, and get it uploaded into your contact group that has been created. If you don't want to import from your CSV file, then you could choose to add contact one after the other, just as I'll show you here now. Now, if you want to add contact manually, you just need to hit on add. Once you hit on add here, you can choose to add the first name, the last name, the mobile number, email, the date of birth, as well as the contact group for which you want to assign them to, and you hit on save. Once you're done setting up that brings you to your SMS API. So at this point, you will need to decide which SMS account you already have. If you do have the supported gateways here, you can then connect it. Like if you see what we have here, we've got in Twilio account connected. If you go to add a new SMS API, you can now get to see how the page interface looks like to get connected any of your SMS API. You can select from a collection of our SMS API here. SMS gateway, you have Preview, you have Twilio, you have Clickatel, Nextmore, and your text local. So any of it here, you can select from it and have your account linked to it. If it's Preview, you could also select from it. That means that you must already own a Plivo account, or you go open an account with Plivo so that you have access to the required parameters here that will make your account go live. The same also applies with your email API. You can select any of the email API you want to work with. Is it SMTP or Maildrill or SendGrid or Mailgun? So any of it you choose to work with, you should have an account with them, which will give you access to the required parameters to get them set up. So that's that with setting up your SMS and email management system that has your contact group as well as adding contact into your SociLiveStream account. The next powerful tool is the video generator tool. The video generator tool allows you to create intro videos as well as join video together, which you can later use for your live streaming. These are videos which we've created. You can choose to create new intro video by coming to add new video here. Intro videos are your quick entry video that comes with a background music as well as an image. So let's now say we are working on the SociLiveStream walkthrough. Right, so we want to select a background music. You could choose to upload a background music, or you select that from the library. Now, if you want to pick from library, you go to library. If you want to select from your local machine, you come to upload now, and it allows you to pick, or you drag and drop. So let's select from library. You can just select any of the files here. Of course, any of the selected files, you can also click to preview the music if it's what you want. So we're working with that. I hit on insert. I need to go back to stop that preview. Alright, so it's already inserted there. You can now drop a video text. You could just say, welcome to SociLiveStream walkthrough. Alright, so you need to add your logo image here. You can just drop your logo image. So already have a logo image we want to work with here, so we select that. That starts uploading. Once it uploads, you're going to see a text message here. You can also choose to change your video text color here to whatever you want it to be. Let's say, let's work with this and then have it okay there. Now you always need to work with this image dimension because that is what forms the background of your video presentation. Alright, so we have to select an upload image. Alright, so we want to select an image background here. Alright, so working with this. So while that uploads, you also need to define the location for your logo which you've added. So because I already have a logo, a 3D box image of the SociLiveStream, I would want to place my logo to the bottom left, or to the bottom right rather. So put it to the bottom right here, or drop it to the top right. Let's drop it to the top right depending on how you want to push it out. So once we get that done, you need to hit on generate. So hit on generate to generate our intro video. Once while you're generating is successful, it pops up the preview. So once it's successfully generated, it's going to pop out the preview. Great. So say you have successfully created an intro video, which is what we have here. I've gotten the intro video here. So if you hit on view video download, you can find it here. Or if you hit on it here, it pops up a preview that allows you to preview your intro video. Great. So here is our intro video. You can get to see the logo which we added. It's trying to stream it live. So great. So you can see the intro music that was added to it. So that's how you go about creating your intro video. So with this intro video, you can now come over to use it on join video. So assuming you already have a full-length video which you want to use for your live broadcast, if you create it, you can now link it up with your intro video and link it up with your full-length video which you have to create a ready presentation video which engages your audience. So let's say we want to join a video now, and the video is the full walkthrough. Full walkthrough guide. Now we are saying we want to use the intro we just created. So we have an intro we just created, and let's say you are uploading a new video now. Then the video here which you should upload is that which you want to use for your full-length broadcasting. So let's look for a lighter video file here. Let's say we're working with this, and you pick that to upload. Once it fully gets uploaded, once it's fully uploaded, you will now hit on generate. So once it's fully uploaded, you can now hit on generate. So once it's generated, you can find it here. You can only find it among your video libraries. So it is your video library that you can now select it from whenever you're creating a live campaign on YouTube or on Facebook. So that's how you can use your joined video. Great. So that shows that it has been successfully created. It says you have successfully joined videos. So that video is now available on your library. Let's just quickly see how it is on the library, how you can access it. Once you come to create library, and you have to go to choose from previously uploaded videos, that is where you can find your newly joined video. Great. So you can see it here. This is our newly joined video which you can now use to broadcast. So SociLiveStream has all tools covered for you that does the automation for you. If you want to run a webinar, or you just want to launch a live stream video broadcasting that engages the audience for you. You can also get to see other training materials here that gives you that guide on how you can go about your activity on SociLiveStream. So I want to thank you very much for staying put.